will be running with the new, more affordable Tesla models available to everyone in the fourth quarter, marking a significant shift in Tesla's strategy. The goal with these products was never to negatively impact revenue or gross margin. Instead, Tesla's intention has been clear from the start: create a vehicle that everyone loves. It delivers the Tesla experience, but at a more accessible price point. This is the promise of the Tesla Model 2. The car that Elon Musk himself has declared will become the company's defining product in the years ahead. Unlike the highly anticipated Tesla Bot V3.5, the Cybercab Robotaxi, or even the Model Y and Cybertruck, it's the Model 2 that is set to take center stage in Tesla's sales strategy for at least the next decade. While the Model Y has dominated Tesla's lineup and sales for the past 3 years, the Model 2 is poised to do the same for the next 10. Serving as the cornerstone of Tesla's mass-market ambitions, production for the Model 2 is scheduled to start at Gigafactory Texas in mid-2025. Initially, Tesla will manufacture around 10,000 vehicles per week at this facility. But expansion plans suggest that this number will soon increase as other factories join in. Elon Musk's ambition is staggering: a production target of 4 million vehicles annually by 2028. This is a monumental task for any automaker. Yet it underscores Tesla's commitment to bringing electric vehicles to the mainstream at a price point never before seen in the brand's history. Today, the Model 2 is virtually complete, and while it may not offer every premium feature or dramatic design flourish found on the Model Y or Cybertruck, this trade-off is entirely logical when one considers the starting price: a groundbreaking $15,990 for the base version. At this point, it's important to be honest with potential buyers. While the $15,990 price is eye-catching, Tesla may not be able to guarantee it for every customer at the launch event this November. The most likely scenario is that the base Model 2 with a 53 kilowatt-hours battery will carry the $15,990 price tag. If you're looking for a more premium Model 2 with increased performance or additional features, mass production will need to ramp up, and the price will inevitably be slightly higher. Likely in the early months of 2026, regardless, Elon Musk appears to have delivered on timing promises, and public interest is now shifting to a critical question: has Tesla sacrificed quality in its pursuit of affordability? The honest answer is that both emotionally and rationally, the Model 2 represents one of the most worthwhile Tesla purchases to date. It's a car that makes the Tesla dream more tangible for everyday consumers. And if you're serious about owning one, placing an order as early as possible could be wise. Tesla is entering one of the most stressful periods in its history. By the end of 2024, the company still dominated the global EV market thanks to massive sales of the Model 3 and Model Y, however. By 2025, the situation unexpectedly shifted. Tesla's revenue fell by 12% in the second quarter, and while production exceeded 400,000 vehicles, actual deliveries dropped to 383,000 units, a 15% decline and marking the second consecutive quarter of losses. Meanwhile, competitors like BYD have been aggressive, introducing low-cost EVs, starting at just $10,000, attracting hundreds of thousands of customers worldwide. This market pressure explains why launching affordable cars has never been more important for Tesla. The Model 2 is Elon Musk's boldest move yet. It's offering a rear-wheel drive base model at just $15,990, while mass production and deliveries officially begin early next year. Prototypes of the Model 2 have been circulating since June, confirmed by Tesla during their second quarter earnings call and reported by Reuters. When examining how Tesla cut costs on the Model 2 without compromising functionality, the design choices are immediately apparent. The Model 2 is not revolutionary in terms of aesthetics. It isn't a completely new design, but carries strong similarities to the Model Y in overall size, while being significantly stripped down and simplified. Copying a design that has already proven successful, then adapting it to nearly half the price is no small feat. Tesla chose to cut back on luxury features rather than invest in premium embellishments, delivering a crossover that aligns with their existing production setup. This decision allows the Model 2 to roll off the same production lines as Tesla's best-selling vehicle, avoiding the massive cost and time investment of creating a new line. Initially, many expected the Model 2 to take the form of a hatchback, as a smaller vehicle might have simplified production and lowered costs further. A hatchback design could have attracted a new segment of buyers seeking compact cars. However, hatchbacks are currently non-competitive in the U.S. market. Producing one would require a completely separate production line, significantly increasing costs and production time. Tesla wisely chose to maintain a crossover design similar to the Model Y, leveraging existing infrastructure to deliver an affordable vehicle without compromising efficiency. Pricing information from Tesla's leaked website confirms the base rear-wheel drive Model 2 is set at $15,990. This price does not account for any federal tax credits which may have expired or not applied to this model. Whether Tesla will offer an all-wheel drive long-range version remains uncertain, though it is highly likely, with the price point expected to be higher. Tesla's design philosophy has always leaned minimalist, even in high-end vehicles like the Model S and Model X. Therefore, the Model 2's simpler exterior is not surprising. Tesla has reworked the front fascia and headlights, repositioning the lights higher and removing the familiar light bar seen on premium models. While the Model Y uses a sleek headlight strip for a luxury feel, such features do not translate well to a vehicle under $20,000. Instead, the Model 2 embraces a simpler, stripped-down look that is both practical and visually acceptable. Inside the cabin, Tesla had to make several cost-saving adjustments. Synthetic leather seating has been replaced with traditional fabric, ventilated seats were removed, and the trunk now uses a manual lift instead of a powered one. Perhaps most notable is the absence of a rear display. This is particularly significant, considering Tesla's future robotaxi program, which relies on rear screens for passenger interaction, while the Tesla app can still manage the vehicle. Removing the rear screen is a clear cost-cutting measure and slightly limits the vehicle's potential use in autonomous ride-sharing networks. Other interior simplifications include reducing the number of speakers from 15 to around 9 or 10, limiting ambient lighting to standard white rather than offering red, green, or blue options, and replacing the signature panoramic glass roof with a solid panel painted to match the body. While these changes reduce cost, they do impact the cabin experience, making it feel less open and airy than other Teslas. On the exterior, the rear light bar has also been eliminated in favor of a simple body-colored panel, a purely aesthetic cut that doesn't affect performance. Collectively, these measures are what allowed Tesla to achieve a $15,990 starting price, delivering an accessible entry point to the Tesla ecosystem without fundamentally compromising the core driving experience. Turning to the Model 2's performance and reliability, Tesla has optimized the vehicle's battery and motor for cost efficiency and urban usability. The Model 2 uses an LFP battery pack with a capacity of 53 kilowatt-hours, smaller than the 61 to 75 kilowatt-hours packs in the Model 3 and Y. While this may seem modest, it is a strategic choice. Most buyers of the Model 2 will not require a 300-mile range. Urban driving, commuting, and short trips are the intended use cases. The rear-wheel drive version offers a range of 258 miles, exceeding initial predictions of 220 miles. Lately employed an LFP battery with higher energy density than previous iterations, demonstrating that even a smaller pack can deliver competitive performance. LFP batteries are the most cost-effective option currently available, providing durability, safety, and fast charging. For Tesla, the model-to-battery costs roughly $4,000 to $5,000, compared to $10,000 to $15,000 for a Model 3 pack. While these batteries are likely sourced from China initially, there are rumors Tesla will soon manufacture LFP packs domestically, further reducing costs and avoiding tariffs. The motor is also optimized for efficiency and affordability. Elon Musk emphasized in 2020 the importance of making electric vehicles accessible to everyone, and the Model 2's drivetrain exemplifies this principle. Performance-wise, the Model 2 is not designed to compete with high-end Teslas. It's engineered for reliability, practicality, and cost efficiency. The 53 kilowatt-hours LFP battery supports sufficient range for daily driving while keeping the vehicle light, enhancing handling and efficiency. Acceleration and top speed may be lower than the Model 3 or Y, but for a compact crossover under $20,000, this trade-off is sensible. Tesla's decision to focus on durability, energy efficiency, and urban usability positions the Model 2 as an excellent option for first-time EV buyers, city dwellers, and anyone seeking a practical, affordable electric car without unnecessary frills. Tesla's production strategy for the Model 2 is equally noteworthy. By leveraging existing production lines, Tesla minimizes the need for costly factory overhauls. The vehicle shares components with the Model Y where feasible, including structural elements, suspension design, and certain electronics. This strategy reduces manufacturing complexity and allows Tesla to scale quickly. The prototype program at Fremont since June has provided value add.